Hello everyone, this is Prabha Singh, and today we're going to talk about most important English vocabulary which is very important for your exam point of view and your speaking English. And today's my topic related to go. Phrasal word go. Phrasal word is most important for your English speaking if you are learning English. Phrasal word, when you will use, obviously your impression will be so good. If you're doing any job, if you're doing job on any place, if you will do the most of the English phrasal word in your English, obviously your English looks so nice and impression will be so good. So let's get started, and our topic related to phrasal word which is related to go. Let's start. Our first word is here go wrong. Go wrong means you can say when something got ruined. जब कोई चीज़ खराब हो गई हो, go wrong you can use. Okay. My car gone wrong. My car gone wrong. मेरी कार खराब हो गई है. Please don't get so confused that why I have used here gone, because you know very well that gone is the third form of go. I'm not talking about present. I'm talking about that it was happened. Okay. My car gone van. My car gone wrong. मेरी कार खराब हो गई. Okay. And second word is here go with. Go with you can say when nothing is matching. जब कोई चीज़ मेल नहीं खा रही है, go with. Then you can use go with. Let's see the example. Your red scarf is not going with your suit. Your red scarf is not going with your suit. तुम्हारा रेड स्कार्फ तुम्हारे सूट से मैच नहीं कर रहा है. Your red scarf is not going with your suit. Okay. Let's see the third example. Third example here is our third word is here go back. Go back means when you are denying. जब आप किसी चीज़ से मना कर रहे हो, जब किसी चीज़ को आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, किसी चीज़ से मुकर रहे हो. Okay. Let's see the example. I was said to her that she was stealing the money, but now she is going back to her words. I said to her that she was stealing money, but now she is going back to her words. ठीक है. मैंने उसे चोरी करते हुए देखा था, लेकिन अब वह मुकर रही है. Going back because मुकर रही है, so I have used going back. Okay. Let's see the third word. Third word is here go upon. Go upon means you can say when you are following the dogma of someone. जब आप किसी के सिद्धांतों के आधार पर चल रहे हो, then you can say go upon. Let's see the example. We should go upon to dogma of Mahatma Gandhi. हमें महात्मा गांधी के सिद्धांतों पर चलना चाहिए. Any person can be who is the inspiration of your life and you are following to that person. So you can use this word go upon. Okay. Fourth word is here are go out. Go out means you can say blow out, बुझ जाना. Go out means बुझना. Let's see the example. When I was entered in the room, all lights were went out. जब मैंने रूम में एंटर किया तो सारी लाइट्स बुझ गई. I have used went here. Went is the second form of go. So I have used here went because it has happened. Okay. Fourth word is here. Fifth word is here go through. Go through means you can say when you have tolerated something bad in your life. जब आपने कुछ तकलीफ़ें सहकर कुछ किया हो, go through you can use. Let's see the example. You should have to respect to your mother because you really don't know that how much your mother went through for your study. तुम्हें अपनी मम्मा की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए क्योंकि तुम्हें नहीं पता तुम्हारी स्टडी के लिए उन्होंने कितना कुछ सहन किया है. ओके. Our sixth word is here go over. Go over means you can say when you are reminding something. जब आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में कोई चीज़ आपको याद दिला रहे हैं, किसी चीज़ के बारे में याद करना, किसी चीज़ के बारे में अगर आप याद कर रहे हो then you can use go over. Go over. Okay. I'm going over to you last time. I want my money back within 4 days. I'm going over to you last time. I want my money within 3 days. Okay. मैं तुम्हें लास्ट टाइम याद करा रही हूँ कि मुझे मेरे पैसे 3 दिन में वापस चाहिए. Okay. Let's see the sixth word. Sixth word is here go for. Go for means you can say attack. Go for means you can say attack. Let's see the example. At this time you are watching at this time, if you're watching the news, then you will see that China is trying going for on India. चाइना इस समय हमला करने की कोशिश कर रहा है भारत पर. ओके, लेट्स सी द एट्थ वर्ड. एट्थ वर्ड इज हियर गो ऑन. गो ऑन मीन्स यू कैन से कंटिन्यू, जारी होना. वी गो एनी when we go any place, then we can use this word, what's going on. So you can use this word. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed my class, and I always give you most important vocabulary for your English speaking, which will be very important for your English speaking. If you're watching my video, obviously your English will be so fluent day by day. Thank you so much, and keep practice.